One of the best feelings in the world is watching your crypto portfolio recover. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto. And now let's jump straight into the video. So over the last 7 days, the entire crypto market has started recovering. Bitcoin is up over $40,000. Ethereum is above 3,000. All the altcoins seem to be doing even better. Great news overall for the crypto space. But it hasn't always been like this. Just remember 3-4 weeks ago or a couple months ago when the entire crypto market was crashing. Everything was down big time. A lot of influencers, a lot of big investors were screaming, bear market is here. We're about to see another 90% correction. All the altcoins you're holding, they're not going to survive the bear market. This and that. Everybody was afraid, including myself. I was no different. But after watching my portfolio go down $5,000 today, $5,000 the next day, $10,000 this week, $10,000 next week, I became immune to it. I would wake up in the morning, first thing I would do is check my portfolio, see that I was down another $10,000, close it, and then go back to bed. It has been a regular routine for a couple months now, and I became immune to the losses. But when I took a step back, calculated how much I was losing, I was down over $100,000. But at the time, I became so immune to it that I didn't really care. But if I was to lose $100,000 in the stock market or in real estate, I would have definitely paid attention and I would have definitely not let it happen. But with crypto, it feels totally different. It feels like I'm playing with this magic money. Don't get me wrong. When I wake up and I see that I'm down another $10,000, it definitely does not feel good. And watching that happen over and over and over again, the whole time I'm thinking to myself, man, I should have taken profits. Man, I should have sold this when I had the chance. And now when the market is recovering, I want to remind every single person watching this video to think about taking some profits. That is exactly what I'm doing right now. I'm coming up with strategies on where I will take some profits at. Don't get me wrong. The bull market can continue and we can see all-time highs once again. Or we can recover and then see a lower lows. Nobody knows. Like, there's a ton of influencers making videos, making predictions, but in reality, nobody knows. Like, nobody knows exactly what will happen 30 minutes from now in crypto, let alone a month from now. It is totally unpredictable. So going forward, I would definitely be stricter on taking profits. It doesn't matter if it's only a couple thousand. Take that money, put it in stablecoin, lend it on the KuCoin exchange, keep it on BlockFi, earn interest, but I will definitely take more profits than I did before. One of the worst feelings in crypto is making $100,000 or $1 million and then diamond handing it, waiting for it to go to 200,000 or 2 million or whatever. And then the market starts crashing and then your 100,000 becomes $10,000 or your 1 million becomes 100,000. That feeling is one of the worst feelings, especially because you had it in your hands and you let it slip. Just take a look at the Dogecoin millionaire guy. This dude invested into Dogecoin. Watch this position grow to over $3.5 million. He diamond handed the whole time, didn't sell, didn't take any profits. Now his $3.5 million position is barely worth $500,000. Guys, it is important to take profits no matter how small they are. Don't get me wrong. There's some positions that I will definitely not be selling. I will definitely not be taking profits on. I'm holding for the long term. But I'm definitely holding some risky positions that I do not plan on holding long term. And on those positions is where I will look to take some profits on, or at least get out my initial investment. So hopefully this recovery continues and we are able to take out even more profits. Right now, in my opinion, is definitely a good time to do some trading. There's a lot of volatility in the market, a lot of big swings, and in my opinion, that presents a great opportunity for traders to make a lot of money. Also, the NFT space is recovering as well. And right now, in my opinion, is a good time to stack up on some NFTs, to do a quick flip here and there to make some more profits. NFTs are getting their momentum back. And I believe 2022 is going to be a huge year for NFTs. So I will definitely be gambling on some NFTs. Hopefully this recovery continues and we see all-time highs once again. But nothing in crypto is guaranteed. So I definitely suggest taking some profits, taking your initial investments out, taking some money off the table. We do not know what will happen next in crypto. There's definitely a lot of uncertainty right now, especially with the whole Russia-Ukraine situation, the Feds raising interest rates, the US economy, the global economy. Literally, there's so much FUD right now, and any of these things can crash the entire crypto market. So definitely be cautious, take profits when you can, and be smart with your investments. All right, everybody, that concludes this video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, and see you in the next video. Peace out.